Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the GZC brand men's and women's smartwatch. This is a smartwatch that works with both Android and iOS. We're going to open it up, we're going to show you some of the functionalities of it, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so getting this open. You'll see simple instruction manual, warranty card, nice strap, removable, so if you need to change this thing out. Size wise, this thing is pretty consistent with others. And your USB charger, it looks like it's going to be a magnet capability there, so let's open that up. So yeah, that's just going to literally be a magnet right onto the back of the watch. It's going to hit those spots, that spot right there, and stay on, and it only goes one side, so just be aware of that. That's pretty commonplace with a lot of these watches, is that you can only charge one way, not the other, but it is magnetized, so it will kind of lock into place. We're going to get this thing charged up, but I do want to show you a nice little, it's got a nice little watch band as well. I recommend you charge it before you really start playing around. We will have to download an app, and so let's get it charged up and download the app. Alright, so as you'll see, it'll tell you to download the Very Fit app, and if you swipe, you'll see a QR code in your Google Play Store or in your App Store. So you'll just have to go through some processes to get this set up, kind of syncing. It'll be the GTX 13, and then you'll get it all set up very easily. Once you enter some personal information, it'll ask you to set up an account. All right, so eventually what you'll do is you'll be able to kind of track your exercise. There is a big watch face market. Now there's like over 100 different watch faces that you can choose from, so that's certainly a big thing. We'll go ahead and pick one. So I selected a watch face, and it is just simply syncing up. All right, and there we go. So now let's go ahead and put this on real quick and show you some of the functionality. So it does have a decent size strap here. So for anyone with a skinny wrist, just remember you're gonna have to tuck that kind of under. All right, and let's go ahead and get back. And again, you can add your information, all those different things. It will eventually start to track things like heart rate. So what we want to do is look at the different features here. And so heart rate, for example, we're going to go ahead and measure this. Admittedly taking longer than I would hope to measure my heart rate, but there we go. 83 beats per minute, not too bad. So let's see, blood pressure. So I'm going to be standing, but now you do want to stay still, and you also want to hold this close to your body. So if you are wearing your watch a little bit loose, it'll give you a relatively accurate reading. All right, and so I got a 124/78, which is pretty neat. So let's see what else we can measure real quick, just as a demonstration. Let's do blood oxygen. Again, we're just going to hold it tight to the skin. And we got 98%, which is great. So pretty cool stuff. And again, we can always just kind of cycle through this stuff for previous, or just use the spinner, or just use your finger. And then there's a ton of different things that we can kind of work in here. As you can see, you can track your sleep, your breathing, see the weather, find your phone, all that stuff, games, calculators. And then once we get in here, again, once you sync this up, we'll go ahead and And eventually what it'll do is start to sync up all your stuff. It'll track kind of what you're doing as a resting, start tracking all your data, and again, choose your watch face. So overall, this thing's pretty sweet. Some other characteristics to consider, again, you're just going to want to kind of set up all your settings, push notifications, all that stuff. You can go dark colors or light color mode on the app itself. Set up goals for tracking. So if you want to do, 10,000 steps or, 25,000 steps a day, you'll get a notification. All that stuff, active calories. So really cool functionality as a smartwatch. Really, really fun to work with. Definitely something to consider. Check for updates, make sure you're upgrading all that stuff, the app. Found a lot of value in this, totally worth buying. Thanks for watching. Hope this review helped.